For today, we are going to discuss this question from SMO 2012 open section. Given that x, y are real numbers, satisfy these two equations, we are asked to find the value of x plus y. At first, it may seem that this is something to do with Vieta formula, but it is not exactly, because these two equations are not exactly of the same coefficient. This is 1 and this is 5. Please have a good try before you look at the answer.
Pause the video now if you wish to solve it. Keep watching the video once ready.
First of all, we notice that the corresponding coefficient of these two equations are the same, except for the constant. So we may let fx to be the function x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x. In order to make the question more meaningful, we try to understand using the graphical method. So I'm going to sketch the graph of y equals to fx. So obviously, we can factorize the x, and this is x squared minus 3x plus 5. Now you can check that for this quadratic expression, the b squared is 9 and b squared minus 4ac is negative, meaning that there is no real solution from this quadratic expression. So you may check, and we will get the graph will look something like this. Okay, the graph of y equals to fx will pass through the origin, and it will keep increasing. Now, when fx equals to 1, we get some value here. And when fx equals to 5, you get another value. And for this question, we are asked to find the sum of these two values. Suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. If we just add the 1 and 2, then we'll have x cubed plus y cubed. That is good because there is a factor of x plus y. And for this is negative x squared plus y squared. It doesn't seem very good because there is no factor of x plus y. But phi of x plus y, this itself is a factor of x plus y. That's good. And the sum is equal to 6. As mentioned, there is a factor of x plus y here and x plus y here, but not here. So we may need to combine these two. Let's say x cubed minus 3x squared. We need to combine these two so that we can get the factor of x plus y. Note that x cubed minus 3x squared, if we plus 3x minus 1, this will give me x minus 1 cubed. So the idea here is using this, we will get x minus 1 cubed. Similarly, for y cubed minus 3y squared, we can get something like y minus 1 cubed. Okay, so with this, we may try and let u to be x minus 1 and v to be y minus 1, and see what happens to u cubed. U cubed will be x cubed minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 1. Likewise, v cubed will be y cubed minus 3y squared plus 3y minus 1. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe. So x cubed minus 3x squared will be equals to u cubed minus 3x plus 1. Likewise, y cubed minus 3y squared will be v cubed minus 3y plus 1. Then we settle this, and plus 5 of x plus y equals to 6. So we can combine this first, u cubed plus v cubed. And for x plus y, there are 5 here and there are negative 3 here. So in total, 2 of x plus y. And for the number that is 1 and 1, So there's a total of 4 there. So we still need to settle the x plus y. From here, x plus y will be equal to u plus v plus 2. So this will be u plus v plus 2. So we just copy down here. There's nice thing that we can observe, that is 4 will be cancelled off. So what we left is, this is u plus v, u square minus uv plus v square. After that, plus 2 of u plus v, and this is 0. And so we have a factor of u plus v, then this is u square minus uv plus v square plus 2 equals to 0. Therefore, u plus v equals to 0, or this term equals to 0. U square minus uv plus v square plus 2 equals to 0. We have to reject this because u square minus uv plus v square is always positive. And positive plus 2, this is at least 2. So it cannot be equal to 0. And hence, we have only u plus v equals to 0. What is u plus v then? U plus v is actually equals to x plus y minus 2. And therefore, x plus y is equals to 2. Just for information, using Wolfram alpha, we will know that this is 0.229. And the other one is actually equals to 1.771. These two are approximate values, and the sum is equals to 2. In conclusion, the first look at this question, I thought I need to use Vieta formula, but I can't because they are of the different coefficient. So using the graphical method, it helped me to visualize what's going on, and using substitution, we'll get this solution. One interesting to note is, when x equals 1, you sub in into the first equation, you will have 1 minus 3 plus 5. Similarly, for this 1 minus 3 plus 5. 1 minus 3 plus 5 is actually equals to 3. 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. It is equals to 1 plus 5. And this also reasons out why the coefficient will cancel off. That's all for today's lesson. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.